Welcome to my channel. If you've been shopping on Temu lately, here's something that a lot of people don't know, but it can save you a ton of money. Every time you place an order on Temu, you should go back and check the price adjustment button. Why? Because Temu often lowers prices even after you buy. And if the price of your item drops, you can actually get money back. That means extra credits or cash back without doing anything complicated. Here's how it works. You have a full 30 days from the day you purchase to request price adjustments. So instead of checking just once, make it a habit. Look at your orders daily, or at least every couple of days, and you'll be surprised at how much you can save. In fact, on average, shoppers can earn back up to one-third of the price they paid, sometimes even more, just by using this little trick. Imagine buying something for $30 and then getting $10 back, just because the price went down. That's free money waiting for you. Let me show you. Here are some of my own price adjustments. Look at how much cash back has added up over time. It really makes a difference, especially if you shop often. So don't leave that money sitting on the table. Always check your orders, tap price adjustment, and collect those savings. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you see how much you've earned back. Remember, it only takes a few seconds, and it can make shopping on Temu even more rewarding. Don't lose it. Go check your orders now and start getting your cash back today.